Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here at we're doing a video reaction kasi na-launching na yung anti-gravity A1. It's the 360 degrees drone ni Insta360, no? They call it the anti-gravity A1. Gumawa na tayo ng video reaction nito about this at naka-out na siya, yung kanilang trailer. We're going to watch the trailer para makita natin yung capabilities nitong drone. I'm very excited for this. Nakita ko rin yung mga samples, teaser nila, and very excited about it. Sana lumabas sa Pilipinas, no? So, playback na natin itong video at para makapag-start na tayo. And let's play it right now. Here we go. This is the drone. The drone. Teaser na. Ayun, ang ganda ng drone. Grabe, oh. At may goggles siya merong yung pilot joystick. Uy, yung liit. Grabe yung liit. Uy, wow. Lightweight. Mukha siyang no? Mukha siyang Mini 4 Pro. Uy, ganda ng goggles. Bilog. Medyo, yun? Parang joystick. Pilot joystick lang siya. Oh, grabe, 360. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang galing. Wow. Anti-gravity A1. 360 degrees capture. Oh. Ano yun? 4 yung camera niya? Oh, invisible drone effect. Oh, wow. Parang invisible stick. 8K 360 video. Grabe, bigat. Grabe. Ano yun? 4 yung camera niya? Oh, grabe. Oh, wow. Parang ka nasa roller coaster, no? Parang yung mga 3D goggles dati. Pag tumingin ka, ang liit ng joystick. Wow. Oh, may gesture pa. Wow. Wow. Grabe. Wala siyang no? Parang remote control. It's the joystick talaga. Wow. Grabe. Drone, ha? Shoot now. Reframe later. Sa 360 degrees. Grabe, parang sinsimulate niya yung FPV movement Pero hindi It's a one shot lang Born to fly. Sabi niya. Grabe. Ay, galing nakikita yung video ko nakikita yung video sa labas. Ay, grabe. That's the difference Anti-gravity A1 can shoot all angles. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Grabe. Parang isa flying Insta360. Oh my gosh. You get all the angles. Malaking file to sigurado. Pero ganda ng goggles Oh my God, horizon flip, tiny planet. The usual sky transition. Oy! Alam mo nag-flip pero hindi. Galing, grabe. Wow. The future of drone technology na talaga. Grabe, yung may ilaw siya. Anti-gravity. Oh my God. Tapos na ba yung video? Grabe. Ang liit ng drone. At may kasama pa siyang goggles which is you can see kung ano yung nakikita mo, nakikita rin yun sa labas. Tapos may pilot joystick. Wala siyang controller talaga, the traditional controller, no? Wala talaga. At parang may 4 na camera siya, no? Pero I think this is itong dalawang to, parang feeling ko obstacle avoidance technology. Pero yun yung isang camera. Sensor, different kinds of sensor, no? So, I guess we're going to hear more about this soon, no? Sana maging available sa Pilipinas kasi may chika na hindi daw to magiging available because anti-gravity is a new entity sub-brand ni Insta360. So, we are not sure kung magkakaroon yan dito. Kung magkakaroon man yan dito, napakasaya. At magkano naman kaya tong drone na to, no? So, magkano kaya? So, I think this is just in parang may mga chika, this is only an announcement. And I think the drone will be baka available commercially next year. Parang in development pa daw to So, yun ang sabi nila So, this has a built-in 360 camera, supports real-time data transmission, and allows user to adjust shooting parameters on the fly. Grabe, grabe. So, I guess that's for our anti-gravity A1 reaction, no? So, very excited to try this in the future, no? So, hopefully, hello, anti-gravity, kung kailangan nyo ng pilot tester sa Pilipinas, volunteer na ako dyan. Gusto ko itong matry. Kasi, yung mga shots na gano'n, yung mga kailangan ko na, hindi mo na kailangan umikot pa, hindi mo na kailangan gumalaw, mag-reshoot, bumalik, and that's a 360 can do everything. Since I'm doing 360 video na rin din to add to my content. Alright, so I'll be ending now my video here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog. Panoorin nyo yung trailer sa Anti-Gravity sa YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, o platform. Nandyan sila. Alright, kita-kits at let's fly!